Okay, so what's inside?
I'm gonna be on the table to look inside.
What is that?
That's a dumper to dump in the grass.
Oh, let's see. Wow, that looks so exciting.
And a photo.
Ooh, an LOL surprise.
I want to open that later.
Let me see. That's pretty cool, Mia.
Okay, let's open. There's the last thing in there.
Is the last thing in there?
That's it. That's it.
Ooh.
You want to look in the back?
Let's see. Wow.
I'm gonna open a lot later.
Okay.
Inside.
Ooh, cool.
You want to see in the back?
Sure. Ooh, you can do her hair?
Yes.
What else do you have in there?
I'm gonna
Oh. It's okay.
look.
Ooh. That's nice.
It's like this one, see?
Whoa, it is the same.
Okay, so it's. I see something pink. It's a photo.
This one? Whoa.
A photo.
Whoa, let me see. It's pretty big.
Yes, but there's nothing in the back.
Oh, there's not?
Yes.
Okay.
This is big.
Let me see. Whoa, num noms.
Look
Let me
at the
see.
back.
Oh, those are cool.
Big egg.
What is that?
A unicorn.
Let me see. Turn around. Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Okay, there's everything in left.
What else do you have?
I think I found it. I found it.
What?
There's another nom nom.
Let me see. Is that the same? It is the same. Let me see.
Socks.
Oh, let me see. Minnie Mouse? What are these? Unicorn!
Give it to me. Oh, mine.
No, yours.
That's can. Look at we got.
What else did you get?
Moods.
Whoa, 2 of them?
Yes.
Why you need so many?
Because I like it a lot.
You do. Whoa.
I'm gonna pop to you. Nom noms.
More num nums. Whoa.
More nom noms.
More num nums? What are those? Lights?
What?
What are these? These are pretty cool.
Yes.
Oh, let's see. Orbeez.
How do you know it's Orby? Can I play with them?
Yeah, we're gonna open it later, okay? Oh, you got 2 of them.
Yes.
What else is in there? That's it?
No.
You got way too many toys. Ooh, Chopkins. Those are Chopkins? Oh, cute. That's it?
No, there's one more in there.
Oh, okay. There's one more in there? What is that? Pygmy Pops?
Yes.
Ooh.
That's it. There's one more right there.
There's one more?
No, there's 2 of them.
Oh, 2 bags? Yeah.
There's a lot of presents here.
You got a lot of presents?
Yes.
You were so spoiled.
Yes.
You got got you all these presents?
Everybody.
Everybody?
Yes.
Do you love those?
Yes. There's
You already wore them yesterday though. Were they comfy?
Mommy, we don't have three, Mommy. Okay.
Were they comfy?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's put these back here.
So what are those?
Gucci sneakers.
You are so spoiled. I can't.
There's one more right there.
Is that?
Yes.
Whoa. Whoa. What's in there? What is that? You're acting like you haven't seen this before. You already saw all this.
No, there's more talking.
Let me see. Ooh, this one's so cute. What is this, a cupcake? Cupcake?
Wow! I really love this.
What is that? Ooh.
It's like a case. Move her after.
What is that? Ooh, a big Hatchimal. Let's see.
That's an egg.
Cool. Ooh. That looks pretty cool.
Put it right there.
Is that it? No more?
You see it up here?
Oh, yes. More Disney durables. What are those?
Disney doorables and the dog and mermaids.
Oh, yeah. You've had these.
Yes.
You have some of these, right?
Yes.
Cool. Is there anything else in there? No?
Can we open the Pop Nom Nom after we pin it? Say yes.
Yes. So, what else did you get? Whoa! That's bigger than you.
My head is not big.
No.
It's not little.
Do you like that? Whoa. That's so cool.
Oh, I think it's not fit in the table. It fit.
Woo! What is that, a pillow? Okay, what are you doing?
It's a chair.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Oh, whoa. This is getting out of control now.
I clean it up.
You clean it up. Oh, what is that?
It's to make something. It's a chair and a bed.
It's a chair and a bed. Let's see. How do you do it? Oh, so it's a chair like this.
It's mommy, it's a bed.
Yeah, when you take this off, turns into a bed. That's pretty cool.
I told you didn't turn it like a bed. Oh, what's this do?
That's what turn it into the bed. You take it off.
And this is a bed.
Whoa. Let me see. Ah.
You hit it, mommy.
You're gonna hit it. Why?
Because there's something in here.
Yeah, that's to make it comfy. Aww.
This is all that I got for my birthday.
Was it exciting?
Yes,
Do you like all your gifts?
yes. This is all to today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.